Okay, this is a two-piece rod. It's a combination of graphite composite with glass. So it's very lightweight and has an instant reflex, which is good for recovery. It's called carbon coil technology. Okay, it's a double helix type of technology, which results in maximum structural reinforcement of the rod. Right, this is pretty good. Aloha guys, this is Scuba Chris in Hawaii. I just got in a offshore angler ocean master. Okay, and hopefully they got the order right. This is from Bass Pro. So we're gonna have a quick unboxing here. I assume that the straps were put in to keep the rod from bouncing around. So we're gonna cut the tape on it. Okay. So let's open this up. Nice. All right, this is something new for me because I usually like to go heavy spinners. This is for my conventional. So what I did is I ordered a casting rod. You got basically two types for if you go along the shoreline. You got a heavy duty spinner rod, or you have a casting rod. This is a casting rod, which is for conventionals. Okay. I did some research on this rod before I got it. Now it's hard to get good quality heavy duty rods that are under $200. This one is only $169. I was kind of reluctant at first, but after doing some research, looking at the stats, and seeing what was available out there, I was actually fairly impressed with this. Okay. Not bad. Now this is basically meant for the East Coast USA people where they're going for stripers. They kind of like that rubberized butt cap as a walking stick so they don't slip. All right, it's not a what do you call a 50-50 split. There's about that much difference to the top. Close enough. Unusually light. I have to admit, this is unusually light. This is the casting model. This is a 65-2348698. Okay, the model number is OSR12C. 12 is for 12-footer, C is for casting. This is a 12-foot model. It is a heavy power rating. Line rating for this is 20 to 50 pounds. Lure weight is 6 to 12 ounces, which is pretty good because I usually like to go about half of that, which would be 9 ounces. At half of that, I can really put a lot into the swing without have to worry about busting the tip. And normally we say 8 and bait. Most people like to go 8 ounce and put on a slab of bait. Okay, this at 50% of the rating would be 9 ounce. So I'm gonna give this one a try, and I will show you in a moment what reel I've chosen to put on this. Okay, the reel I've chosen to mate with this will be a Newell. This is the 338/F. There is 400 yards of 80-pound braid on this. That's pretty good. So this will have the strength and the line necessary for most runs. Okay, so we're gonna put this on, see how this works, and hopefully catch something big and give it a try. Okay, this is a postal scale. I'm going to turn this on. All right, reading at 0. Kind of curious to see what the weight of this rod's going to be at. So let's see now. 1 pound, 4.6 ounces. Okie doke. Let's see what the weight of the reel with the line's going to be. 1 pound, 3.2 ounces. So that's going to be the combination of what I'm going to be throwing with this. Okay, you notice that the handle is EVA wrap. This is great when your hands are wet. So if it's wet from just being in the water or handling stinky baits, it won't slip from your grip. And especially out in beach conditions, you just don't want to take the chance of losing a fish or dropping your rod. This is great. It also has a rubber butt, which is really good for people who want to use it as a walking stick to get to your site to balance yourself. It's good to have that. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it on. I might elect to cut it off and put a stainless steel butt plug on it, but we'll use it to see what happens first. The reel is connected to a heavy-duty cushioned hood reel seat. So this is really good when you want to put bigger reels on it for the bigger fish. It can handle some decent strikes when it's heavy duty. All right, it also has double wrap Fuji aluminum oxide guides. These are solid guides that maximizes line friction when you double wrap it. It's great for heavy lures or bait loads when you double up on it. So it's pretty good. It's better than single. It's double. The double wrap is a lot better. I chose this rod due to its rated line and lure weight. The fact that 50% of its lure weight is 9 ounces means I can bait cast 8 ounces with ease. I'm sure I can slide with it as well. I felt the tip bounce and 8 ounce in bait will not be a problem. So it's 8 in bait time with this rod. It is a very beefy setup and it's unusually light. One of the reasons why my research showed me this would be a good rod, and we'll give it a try. Thanks.